Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we are going to study geography subject of 6th standard. Here today we are going to do exercise given on the page number 44 and lesson number rocks and lesson number 7 rocks and rock types. Okay students, before moving forward I would like to say thanks to my subscribers and students. Students, those who have shared it, liked it, commented below the video, thank you and be connected. Students, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it and get more and more such educational videos. Thank you for connecting with me. Without wasting time, let's get started with the question and answers of lesson number 7, that is rocks and rock types. Question A. How is sand that flows in a river formed? Collect some information about where the sand comes from. The answer is the sand that forms in a river because of its fast flow from the mountainous area and its slope. When a river flows, it brings with it several depositions such as rock and due to weathering and erosion, the big rocks converts into small pieces of sand. In this way, sand forms in the river. B. Which of the following monuments are built in igneous rock? 1. Taj Mahal, 2. Fort, 3. The Red Fort, 4th Ellora sculpture. The answer is second option, Fort Raigad. So student, here the Fort Raigad is built in igneous rock. Question C. Find the differences between 1. Igneous and sedimentary rocks, 2. Sedimentary and metamorphic rocks, 3. Igneous and metamorphic rocks. Let's have the answer now. 1. Igneous rocks and sedimentary rocks. The example of igneous rock is basalt. The example of sedimentary rocks is sandstone and limestones. The meaning of igneous rock is when the molten material known as magma within the crust and lava on the surface cools down, it solidifies, giving rise to rocks. This is known as igneous rock. Now, the meaning of sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks are formed out of deposition of layers of sediments and their compactions. Second point, these are also referred as primary rocks. Second point of sedimentary rocks, they get decomposed and reduced to the pieces. The third point of igneous rock, these are hard and homogeneous. The third point of sedimentary rocks is these are generally brittle and lightweight. Now the second one, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. The meaning of sedimentary rocks is sedimentary rocks are formed out of depositions of layers of sediments and their compaction. Now, the meaning of metamorphic rocks is metamorphic rocks are formed out of recrystallization of the original rocks due to tremendous heat and pressure. Students, to learn more about rocks and rock types, please watch my video on this chapter. That is lesson number 7, rocks and rock types. Second point of sedimentary rocks, they get decomposed and reduced to the pieces. Second point of metamorphic rocks, these rocks do not contain fossils. Third point of sedimentary rocks, these are generally brittle and lightweight. The third point of metamorphic rock is these rocks are heavy and hard. Now, the third one, that is igneous rock and metamorphic rock. Let's have the meaning of igneous rock first. When the molten material known as magma within the crust and lava on the surface cools down, it solidifies, giving rise to rocks. This is known as igneous rock. Now, the meaning of metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks are formed out of recrystallization of the original rocks due to tremendous heat and pressure. The second point of differentiation is these are also referred as primary rocks. Second point of metamorphic rock is these rocks do not contain fossils. Third point of igneous rock is these are hard and homogeneous. And the third point of metamorphic rock is these rocks are heavy and hard. Now, the question D. Which types of rocks are predominantly found at the following locations? The answer is 1. Central Maharashtra. In central Maharashtra, we do found basalt rock. Second, South Konkan. In South Konkan, mainly we do found laterite rock. Third, Vidarbha. In Vidarbha, we do found granite. Question number 5. Students, these are some of the extra questions that you need to learn it. Answer the following questions in short. 1. What is rock? The answer is rock is a mixture of different minerals formed by natural processes in the lithosphere. Students, if you want to study more, just now I have told you, please watch my video on this chapter, that is rock and the rock types. You will get the link of this video in the description box or in I button. Students, the second question is, what are the types of rocks? The answer is, there are 3 types of rocks according to their formation. 1. Igneous rocks or primary rocks. 2. Sedimentary rocks. 3. Metamorphic rocks. Third question. From which rocks do the Maharashtra Plateau and Sahyadri are formed? The answer is, the Maharashtra Plateau and Sahyadris are formed out of igneous rocks. Basalt rock is the major example of igneous rock. Students, it is very important to know our Maharashtra Plateau is formed out of which rock. So here you mind it that Maharashtra Plateau and Sahyadri are formed out of igneous rock, that is basalt. Okay. Now the fourth one. What rock was used for building the forts in Maharashtra and why? The answer is, students, basalt rock was used for building the forts in Maharashtra because the Maharashtra Plateau is formed out of igneous rocks, that is basalt. Hence, this rock is available in ample quantity. Okay, students. Fifth, which rock can float on water? Students, again very important thing as well as interesting thing, that pumice rock can float on water because it is a porous rock and its density is quite low. Yes, students, we know in Ramayana the rocks float on the sea. Okay, because of it floats on the sea or water because of its low density. or quite low density. Okay, students. Now the sixth one. Where does the laterite rock found? Answer is the laterite rock found in the coastal region of Konkan in Maharashtra. It is specially found in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg. Okay, students, have you understood all? Very good. Students, you can pause the video and note down the answers in your notebook. Students, avoid by hearting it but learn it. Okay, students, learning is important than by hearting. Okay, yes. Students, if you have liked it or found it useful to you, then share it to your friends, like it, comment below the video, subscribe it, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you will get new notifications of new videos. Thank you and be connected.